We spent a weekend at the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas. Follow along to learn more. Okay, I am here at the Golden Nugget, and this is a king deluxe room. We are in the Carson Tower. I don't really know what that means in terms of the other towers, but this is a huge, huge room. We've actually been here for a day. Totally forgot to do my videos, so I just wanted to show you. There isn't a desk, however, there is this little sort of makeup beauty area. We didn't get a great view either, but you know what? It's not really why we're here, so it's fine. Lovely rooftop. You can see some stuff. This hotel is super close to Fremont. So if you look over here, this hotel is actually on Fremont Street. So it's like right there, right out the door of this hotel. Overall, I really like this hotel, and it's actually one of the cheaper options in terms of one of the nicer hotels, because this is actually a pretty nice modern hotel. So we have some of our stuffs. Bathtub, a little gross, but you know what? It's fine, does the trick. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the other parts of this hotel, but I did just want to show you this is, it's pretty nice. I actually really like the Golden Nugget, and I would stay here again. It's not on the Strip, but just so you know, it is actually right on Fremont Street. So if you want to stay in Old Vegas, this is probably the nicest hotel you're gonna find for that area. So Eric is out on a run, so I'm on a morning coffee run. There's a Starbucks right downstairs, and it is so far away. The elevators are so far away from our room. It's like 8 different turns to get there, so kind of annoying. We are down here at the Golden Nugget pool, which obviously one of the main reasons to get a good resort here in Vegas is to go to the pool. This one's cool because there is a slide and there are sharks, and those are related because you actually go through the slide through the shark tank, which is super cool. So if you are looking for a hotel to stay at, this one is really cool because of the full pool area, and there are generally seats here as well. So that's kind of important because you go to any of the other ones and it's hard to find seats. So take a look around. We'll show you some of the stuff here. The Golden Nugget is located in downtown Las Vegas, so not on the Strip, but right off Fremont Street instead. It offers a fun experience without the craziness or the price of the Las Vegas Strip. The hotel has 2,400 rooms and was built in 1977. To be completely honest, we were there for a nephew's birthday, so we splurged on his room and got ourselves the literal cheapest room in the hotel, hence the view. The Golden Nugget is really one of the best options in Las Vegas if you are on a budget, but still looking for something that has that Las Vegas feel. Plus, out the door is Fremont Street, so there is so much to do without needing any kind of a car. I always recommend the Golden Nugget to anybody when visiting Las Vegas.